Hi, my name is Bruce Hendel with VP Racing Fuels. We do not have a fancy studio. We are live outside. You'll hear construction noises going on in the background, just so you know. This is, we're just gonna have to deal with that, okay? But what we're gonna do today is tell you about our car care line of products. First product we have is our Power Clean. Thank you. So Power Clean is an all-purpose cleaner, great for getting bugs off the front of the car, road grime, tar, great for your wheels as well, but basically any exterior surface except for glass, this is an awesome all-purpose cleaner. Next we have is the VP Power Wax product. So the Power Wax is a patented UV formula. This product's awesome. It gives you 4 to 5 months protection in a spray wax. It's really, really easy to use. You spray it on, don't let it dry to a haze, wipe it right off, and you've waxed your car. In addition, and we got some video on this as well, you can clay and wax your car in one step. And it's like the quickest way to clay and wax your car. Again, doesn't dry to a haze, so you don't have to sit there and wait for it to do that. You just wipe it right off. So the next product we have is our VP Power Instant Detailer and Gloss. My hands are getting a little full here. So anyway, this particular product is Instant Detailer and Gloss Enhancer. It's great for that in-between car wash detailing, or you're going to a car show, you need something just kind of take that dust off right before a show and shine. Great product, safe on glass, plastic, use it on the wheels, basically any exterior surface. Awesome for that. Finally, last product we have is our leather interior detailer. Okay, got a few products. So, this product, Power Leather and Interior Detailer. So it's great for leather and all interior surfaces except Alcantara. That's always a difficult material to clean. But anything that's leather, vinyl, plastic on the interior, it's awesome. If you have leather perforated seats, you would apply it to your microfiber towel first and then wipe it down. And it's a very liquid type formula. So it's not like a pasty, thick pasty formula like some of the other ones that are out there, because VP is associated with power and being fast. These products are really quick and easy to use.